Alright, hello everyone, this is Madakor. Today we will learn how to plot data in Microsoft Sentinel using Geolocation API. So this will teach us how to fetch data from an external API, and it's a project for Sentinel. Have a Microsoft Sentinel plot the data on the geo map. So I would like to give a huge thanks to Josh Madakor. This is one of his project tutorial. A few things have changed since then, so we'll see how we can achieve the same results. Okay, I'm going to show you the details on how to create a virtual machine. Okay, sorry, I'm not going to show you the details on how to create a VM, and go to YouTube channel and learn from there. So for now, we'll just see what we can do from here. So we'll just these are the virtual machines that I have right now. So let's just get connected to the virtual machine using the IP address. I've already logged into it. You can also use your remote desktop to actually log into the machine. Now we'll just go down to event viewer before we do anything. So on here we'll go to Windows log and security, and under security we will check the event ID. It's taking some time, just wait until it loads. Here you can see the log entries. We will try to find 4625 that's related to failed logon. Let me just type in 4625. Okay, let's just wait. Alright, so there we go. This is an account failed to log on. So there we are. Let's just close this. We go to Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, and then we go to the inbound rules and make sure you allow ICMP echo request. So on here you can just enable the service. If it's already enabled, then that's okay, but yeah, I think it's not already enabled, so you have to enable it. So once you've done that, we'll try and ping the virtual machine from our computer. Just ping just the IP address, and we'll wait for the as you can see, there's some response, so that's good. Now we'll just open the I'll just close this for now. Okay, so the script is already in Josh Madakor's GitHub repo, so you can just actually download it from there. Replace this API key with yours, and should be good to go with the script. Now we will see what else is there. So this will actually save the log file in program data, so you need to have these both ticked. So this is where our file is. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of logs. So this is the event ID. Now we can see the sample data. So this is like a logic behind the whole script to store data and to the file. So yep, so let's just run this. As you can see, you won't see anything. Let's just try to remote into it and do some fail login attempts. I'm just gonna type anything. Yeah, let's just do this one more time. One more. Yep, that should be enough. Alright, let's just close that. As you can see, that's the data. Alright, let's just close this, minimize this for now, and then let's go back to the Azure. So on here, go back to our resources. Let's go to our log Honeypot analysis. Okay, so here you can see you can run this query and just check once. I will show you how to create a table if you haven't already. So it has to be MMA based, and also keep that in mind, it's going to be deprecated really soon. So let's just open this, go to manage tables, see it's a part of an analytics, so that's fine. So we'll just create a custom log for you now. So we will use the RDP fail log from here. So it will upload the data, and then it will populate the fields for us. From here we'll have to specify the path. This is generally used to train the data, so it has to be the same path from your virtual dryer. Okay, failed rdb.log. Let me just I'll show you where that is. If you're not sure, you can just go back and then copy the file path, and then just the file name of that. Okay, all looks good. Let's go next, and then we'll put a custom log name. We'll just call it like failed RDP with Geo. Okay, that's good. Let's go next and create the custom log. I already got one before, so we just go to the logs. Yours might take like 10-15 minutes, at least 30 minutes to pop out. Originally I planned not to speak in this video, but yeah, never mind this part. Yeah, now I'm speaking, so you can always ignore this part. Alright, so let me just quickly alright, so this is our fail RDP log with all the extraction, username. So these are the rejects that we use to extract the data from the sample. So on here we're excluding the sample host. So just run it once. Okay, good. All the fields are populated perfectly. Timestamps good. Latitude good. Everything checks out to be perfect. Okay, let's just go back to tables, and then hold on. Okay, let's just go to our resources again, and then let's go to log analytics. On here, make sure your virtual machine is connected to this particular workspace, and also make sure your workspace is connected to the same region. So because it might not work if it's in a different region. So let's go back to Microsoft Sentinel. Let's just use this as a link this. And let's go to the log data, and then I'm just gonna run this. Okay, hold on. I'll just instead of typing the whole thing, I'll just see if I've got the query. Okay, forget about it. I'll just run it from here, and then cool. So yeah, the destination. You can like. Yeah, we just ignore this sample host from the destination, so you might want to save it for future. So just like that, give it any name, so easy to remember. I'll just call it failed login. Cool, looks good. You can tick these boxes if you like to. I'll just tick like audit, network, security. Okay, I'll just give it a name. It's easy to find the queries with the name. So login failed. Yeah, you can just create a custom query. I'll just write geo. Yeah. Oh, map, even better. Okay, save. Alright, and this hold. Okay. Alright, this is done. So let's just go to queries and then go log. Oh, sorry, it was failed log. Oh, yeah, failed login. So you can just hover around it, like hover over it, and then you can just run this like that. Okay, and then there we go. That's the data. Let's go to workbooks. Now I already got 2 of them, so I'll just show you how to configure this. Just yeah, just need to edit this, get rid of this. We don't need it. We don't need this one either, so we'll just create a new one from add to query, and we'll use the same query to okay, hold on, let me see if I can. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly go to, I totally forgot to save the query. I don't want to type the whole thing again, so let's just go back to the query. Let me just sign in again. Yeah, okay. Let's go back to log analytics. Let's go to logs. Yeah, I already got that one, so I'll just copy it from here. Copy, and then I'll just paste that query here. We'll just run it once. As you can see the data. So we'll just this is coming from the logs, from our log analytics, and then we'll visualize it using map. So on the map we can do like longitude, latitude, and then by size, just see what suits you better. So we'll just counter values. So on the metrics we'll use computer or country. Yeah, so apply, you'll see the name of the countries, and on here you can just use one of these, maybe latitude. So yeah, and then counter values, so we'll apply that. So you can see the list of countries. I don't know, like for some reason there's this extra dot somewhere in the middle of the ocean. We'll try a label. Okay, so looks good to me. Let's try latitude and see. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that little dot. Okay, apply, save and close. Make sure you hit that button, and you can save the workbook. Done editing. Call it anything you like. I'm just gonna call it Azure Sentinel. Yeah, call maps. Good. We'll select the resource cube, and then make sure you select the right region. For me, Australia East. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So you just have to wait until more of the attacks starts happening. And thank you so much for watching the video. And goodbye for now.